This is the Ohio we know. I come out here today. Dan's trying to get to work. Looks like we got snow all the way up to our knees about, golly, I don't know. We used to broom. There's Dan up there trying to go up the street to work. This snow is so high. Look how high it is. That's Dan up there trying to get to work. But this is how much snow we got. There he is. He's part of the way up there. But take a look at this. This was the snow. So when he pulled out, it's further up that way. Make a run and start. Dan's trying. Looks like he's getting there. But this was the ruts. They didn't plow, of course. That's Dan there. That's his house. That's as far as he got. Anyway, this is Dan trying to get to work. How deep that snow is. Man, we snowed in.